Come to share with you another journal that I've made, and this is a little bit of a mashup one because it's using ARTYmaze's the springtime, I think it's called springtime, yeah, the springtime journal kit and her collage kit. So I've used both. It's a traveller's notebook size. There is 8 pages front and back, crocheted trim. It is fully decorated and it is stenciled and stamped. It measures 8 1/4 by 4 1/2. Like I said, there's one signature, 8 pages. I think I just said that. So let's go inside. Oh, I've done some collaging. I'm kind of liking this at the moment. Just a couple of layers, and then this image is from the springtime kit. This is from her collage digital kit, which is so pretty. We have here a little corner tuck, and I used some of the pages from the kit to make the pockets in this one. Stenciling and stamping. It's because I've just done another video and there was a lot of talking in that one. Some ephemera, which is from Tsunami Rose, and then we've got a tag from the kit. It's been sewn onto some coffee dyed paper, and then a stenciled tag, and it's got a little bit of shimmer to that. This is just like a paper flower from the Tim Holtz tattered florals, and a little punched flower in the middle with some bling, crocheted trim on there, some edge punching. We have a paper bag, some digital no, it's not digital, that's actually vintage music paper. I think it's from a hymn book. Some Edith Holden. Got a little journal card here from the kit, some digital music paper. Here we have one of these little folders that I do, and a postcard from the kit, and that is just paper clipped onto that page there. Some crocheted trim, envelope with this lovely little bunny on it. It's so cute. There's nothing inside there, but you can fill that with whatever you like, as this will be for sale in my shop. Here we just have the journal card to go with it. Isn't that bunny cute? Oh, some more of the digital collage kit. I've got a pocket from the kit, journal card and a tag. Edge punching, stenciling, another page from the collage kit. Excuse me. Here we've got some crocheted trim, a little heart with a butterfly, and it was a white scalloped edged heart, and I just stamped it and then just inked it up. Excuse me. We have a tag from the kit. Isn't that pretty? And then a journaling card. We have a paper bag, some more of this music hymn book page, Edith Holden. We have a journal card and a tag that's actually kind of matching. In fact, it's identical, only one's a tag and one's a journal card. We have this postcard here. It's all been coffee dyed, stamped and stenciled, some crocheted trim, centre of signature. We have another postcard which is just paper clipped on, and then this lovely image of this little girl. Actually it's a little fairy. Edith Holden book page, and I've just made a pocket there. Some more of this hymn music paper, paper bag, some edge punching, little pocket here with some crocheted trim, another heart and a butterfly with some eyelash trim. We have 2 tags in there, and got the little hairs there. We have a pocket from the kit, tag which matches that pocket, and little envelope that's got 2 journaling cards inside there that you can do some writing on. And that's the envelope. We have another envelope there, journal card and a tag, and that page is so pretty, and with the envelope here with the birdies on it, and that just pops there. and that just goes in there. We have another postcard and another trifold flip out that you can journal on, and that's obviously been corner punched. Where did my paper clip go? Sorry, I keep having to clear my throat. I've got really bad allergies. Love spring and summer, but I really hate all the allergies that comes with it, and nothing seems to be working. But it is actually slowing down a little bit. It wasn't as bad as it was like 4 weeks ago. A little flip up, some crocheted trim, another flower here. We have some ephemera, which is from Tsunami Rose, and so is this. This paper here is from ARTYmaze's collage kit, shimmery tag, and then a tag from the kit, and that just pops in there, and then the back page. So this will be listed in my shop. All the links will be below. If you have any questions, just ask and I will get around to answering you. Have a great weekend, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye.